Hi, it's Brad Emery. Going to try and do a few things today. First of all, a tip from my brother that I'm not really comfortable seeing myself on the screen, so I've blocked off the screen so I can't see myself. So this is going to be interesting. I pretty much have to focus on the camera, and hopefully I'll be a bit more engaging than normal. Second thing, I have a new microphone. The eagle-eyed will spot that I'm wearing a mic, which I don't normally. So let's see if that makes the audio a bit clearer. And thirdly, it occurred to me I've been in Livegood for about 6 months, maybe a little bit over. And maybe I should talk a bit about that and how things are going. So where do I start? I love it. I don't think there's any secret about the fact that I love it. I'm in love with the methylene blue. And I've done a whole series of videos on that, but I'm in love with the community. The people that are involved are fantastic. Trevor D'Silva brought me in, but Curry Russell, Natalie, some of the other people that are sort of in leadership positions, Johnny Mess, fantastic, just brilliant, willing to share what they're doing, their knowledge, actually tell us, what they're targeting, share their scripts, very, very generous. But also just fun, and I'm really getting a kick out of that. I was talking to somebody today, and it was one of those conversations where they're, it's another network marketing thing, and 1 or 2% of people make the money, and everyone just gets their family in, and then it dies. And I sort of tried to explain to them that no, it's not like that. It just isn't. Livegood to me is it's everything that other MLMs are not. You don't have to order products. You don't have to invite anybody even to make some money from it. All of the kind of standard things are out the window. But it's hard to get people who are not in network marketing engaged in that. So I've learned some lessons. I've done some things. I've done a lot of different things, which again I've tried to document. And I learn as I go, but it keeps coming back to that real sort of basic thing of talk to people, have conversations, and keep doing it. And the more you try and shortcut that or do something different or, do something that the big guys are not recommending, the more likely you are to run into headaches and confusions. So that's I guess, my top learning. What else is it that I love about Livegood? I love the fact that they're trying to break the mold. I love the fact that, the products are priced sensibly and people aren't getting ripped off. I love the fact that, it is a platform they can add pretty much any product to it. I understand there's 200 products planned, but it's more than that, right? It's that they are going to break network marketing. This is the Amazon of network marketing. And so going back to those conversations, having conversations with people who've never done network marketing, who've done network marketing and come away from it with a really bad taste in their mouth is much more difficult than talking to people who are currently engaged in network marketing. And maybe unhappy where they are. And that's why people like Trevor and Curry tell us, go online, find the people that are doing network marketing and aren't happy and talk to them about changing. It makes sense. Have I had success doing that yet? No, because I'm stubborn and I keep trying to do things my own way and I keep coming up short, but I learn lessons every time and I know what I've got to do. And there's so much patience, when I'm talking to these guys. I had a chat with Curry not that long ago because I was unhappy about something and he helped me clear up a problem and he was just incredibly patient. Trevor has spent far too much time, far too much time with me, just telling me the same things and telling me to come back to the basics and just do the stuff that I'm good at. And do I listen? No, I go off and try and learn something new and do something different, a bit like doing YouTube videos, right? What do I know about doing YouTube videos? So it's a learning curve. But as long as I'm learning and the people are patient and I'm having fun, this is what I want to be doing. This is my hobby. I'm not, running or cycling at the moment. I'm not doing a lot of the things. I'm not playing video games. This is it. This is what I do. And I am passionate about it and I enjoy it. And if that doesn't always come across, well, yeah, that's unfortunate. But I'm told when I talk to people face to face, I was having a chat with my friend Tommy at the weekend. I feel the passion and I know that he felt the passion and he told me that he'd take another look, having sort of said no to it before. Whether he joins or not doesn't really matter as long as he gets that I get it and I enjoy it. I guess that's the key. And is this going to make me rich? I don't know. Again, Trevor says I don't set my sights high enough. But if I made that, you know, $300 or $400 a month extra, I'd be pretty happy. And anyway, it's growing. You know, I do nothing, or I don't get any success in terms of signing up new people, and my matrix still grows, and I still get a bigger check at the end of the month. And as I've said before, I've made money on this. You know, I made money within a couple of days when I signed people up, and on the monthly subscriptions, I've made a profit on that since about week 6. And it doesn't go backwards. Sometimes it stagnates, but you know, I keep making a little bit here and a little bit there, and I'm having fun. So what's not to like? I hope this all makes sense. I may have just rambled too much, but I thought I'd give a few new things a go. So let's see how it comes off. All right, I'll say good night for that, and talk soon. Bye.